So, for those who don't know me, my name is Alona. I'm 53 old. I'm single. I'm a single mom from South Africa. And literally last week, I was sick on Tuesday last week, and I crossed over the million rand mark. And but just like Michelle says, it's not about the money. Yes, it is about the money. In the beginning, it was I need more money. I need more money, but it's not. It's now I'm a. Let me share my story with you. I worked most of my life in the corporate world, and I was in sales. So I was always anxious. I was always desperate, and I was always chasing money because I just wanted to keep my head above water. And in the process, I really lost myself, and I was never a present mom. I'm sorry, I'm getting teary now because I wasn't a present mom. And my kids really, I didn't have a mom. I was there, but I wasn't there because I worked hard, and I was, when I get home, I would be exhausted, and I get into bed at night, and I'll quickly cook, and I get into bed at night, and I would be so exhausted, but I can't sleep because my mind is just ticking over because I'm just making plans. How am I going to get put food on the table the next day? How am I going to get my kids clothes? How am I going to get petrol in my car just to get to work? And I had so much guilt because in the mornings when I would get up, I would rush my daughter, I would scream at her, and then I would drop her at work, and the gates will still be closed. And I had to leave her there. And when I drive away, the guilt will start. And I'm like, how could I shout at her? Now she's standing there at the closed gate. But I had to. I'm a mom. I'm the only breadwinner. So my car has been repossessed. The sheriff has taken my furniture away. So I've done it, and I've been there, and I know how hard it is. And but then everything changed for me after COVID. First, me and my daughter, we lived in a one-bedroom apartment. I had a job, but I couldn't even sometimes pay my rent, and I literally had to phone my family just after COVID, and I had to ask them. It was soul destroying for me, having to ask them to help me with rent. And yeah, I've tried many things. I've tried drop shipping. I've tried that. I've tried trading. I have tried cryptocurrency. I still don't know what that is all about. The problem was I didn't have the time. I didn't have the resources. I was on YouTube the whole time. I got overwhelmed. Nothing worked for me. And yeah, it was just, and then just it again as well for me in September of 2023. I saw two South Africans ladies from TikTok on TikTok, and they said that they became millionaires, and they were talking about a blueprint. I had no idea what that was. I thought it was a book or something. It was so funny when I think it not look like a book. But I was curious, and I was still skeptical. And then this amazing woman that I don't know from a bar of soap, beautiful Michelle O'Neill, came on my For You page on TikTok one evening, and she said, 2 hour workday. And I was like, wow, okay, I can do that. And she said, you don't need to find customers. And I'm like, yes, please. I don't want to sell. I hate selling. I've been selling my whole life. I hate selling things to people that I know they don't even need. But it's different with this. I know everybody needs this. I know they need it because it's changed so many lives. And then she said about an automated system. I had no idea what that is about, but she said that it literally works in the background for me and it does the selling for me. And I was like, yes, please. I need this. I really need this. And what really topped it off was she said 100% profit in dollars. And, being from South Africa, for every single dollar that you earn, anywhere between 17 Rand and 18 Rand. And deep down, I always knew that's why I tried drop shipping. I wanted to earn in dollars because I knew I could really make good money. And yeah, it grabbed my attention. I was still skeptical. I'm a Gen Xer. I'm 53 years old. I was like, oh, I've already been scammed so many times. This really going to work. And then the absolute turning point for me was one Sunday. We were driving back from a weekend away with a friend of mine. It was the end of October, I'll remember. And, I don't know about you, about Sundays, you'd feel like there's this cloud coming over your head. And, you think, oh, tomorrow's Monday. I've got to get back on that hamster wheel again. I've got to go and work my 9 to 5, the same old thing over and over again for such a small salary. So it was really just doing it the same thing over and over again. I really, up to today, I don't know what hit me, but I just decided that's it. I'm tired. I've had enough. I took my phone out. I went to the automated system that Michelle told me about. I went into the email, and my friend was still sitting there next to me. Now, this guy used to come and fetch me on Sundays and take me to the shop to buy us groceries, literally, for me for the week because I didn't have money. And I didn't even want to tell him because I just had my last bit of money. It was the end of October. I paid my rent. I paid my daughter's school fees. I literally had a little bit of money. And I closed my eyes and I said, Father, please, if this is a scam, can I please just make my money back? If it's not a scam, if I could just make an extra $300, just like 5,000 rand, I would be so happy. And that was the end. I started and I was scared, yes, but I tell you what, I worked my 2 hours throughout my day. I still had my daytime job. And, in my fifth month, I had my first six-figure month. It was mind blowing. I literally, in my fifth month, I made 13 times my monthly salary. Still, today is still like, it's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. I did my copy and my pasting of my ads in the morning before I would go to work. I love doing that. I was like so excited. I'd do my copy and pasting and get to work. And then in my lunch break, and that time I was still smoking, I'll do my videos because you don't have to be perfect. You just got to be yourself. And that's what I loved about this because you're going to be your real self. And yeah, this business literally helped me stop smoking as well. After 35 years, I stopped smoking because of the mind training. The mind training that you are going to learn in this business, guys, you cannot believe. It is absolutely, you will be blown away. And here I am 20 months later. I made my million rand last week when I was sick as a dog on a Tuesday. I had two sales. I literally almost had my daughter drive me to the doctor, and I still help two customers. Now I homeschool my daughter. I get to do what I need to when I need to do it. And and I've really never seen any other business like this. I'm a Gen Xer. I'm not tech savvy, and I'm still succeeded. And you get step by step instructions. You're going to get your own website. And there's no monthly cost. That's what I loved about it. No surprises, and it's an affordable. And you get to do the things yourself, and you'll feel so empowered because I know deep down everybody know that they can do better. They can do this on their own. We've been indoctrinated by the system that we need to work for other people. Promise you, you can do this. If I can do it, the training is amazing from multimillionaires. They share their tips and tricks with us, and this community is just absolutely amazing. So I'm proof that it works. If you've ever doubted yourself, please look at me. But just say yes to yourself. Show up for yourself. It's 2 hours a day. If you can show up for a job every single day on time for a boss that doesn't really even care about you, show up for yourself for 2 hours a day. If you can do that, then you can honestly do 2 hours a day. So, yeah, if you've prayed, ever really prayed for anything, because I did for a very long time, I'm really proof that it helps, that works. And I really hope that my story has inspired even just one person tonight. Um, it works. And again, thank you, Michelle. And thank you, everybody in the community, all these amazing mentors. You are absolutely amazing. And yeah, thank you so much, Michelle. And I want to just leave you it's very important to me that I've prayed for this, and I hope that Father blesses you with everything that you do for your business. Thank you, Michelle. I hope I wasn't too long.
No, you were perfect. Thank you so much for sharing. I love your heart, and I'm just so excited for you and so proud of you. And wow, what a life change this has been for you. And
it has. Thank you so much, Michelle.